Good evening. My name is Len Foy, and I am a real estate attorney in Nashua, New Hampshire. For those of you who have been following me on YouTube, you may recognize me as I have produced a number of video presentations telling people about my office and my services and my firm and my professional experience. Once again, I am a real estate attorney. My office is located in Nashua, New Hampshire. And I'm going to try to keep this video somewhat brief. If I've made any terrible mistakes with respect to these videos, it's probably that they have been too lengthy at times. And I think that there's probably something to be said for brevity and being succinct and coming to the point. So I'm going to try to do that tonight. It's March 2nd, and spring is in the air. Of course, here in New England we had a snowstorm last night, which should come as no surprise to anyone who has been following our weather. But nonetheless, with the coming of March and spring certainly in the offing, people oftentimes start to think about real estate. Should I sell? Should I buy? And I hope that when people make those decisions, they may give some thought as to whether or not to involve a real estate attorney. And if they do decide to do that, then I hope they or anyone watching this video would consider retaining me. I've been practicing law for just about 20 years. In fact, I think I've already hit my 20-year anniversary. In all that time, I've been handling real estate matters. I represent buyers and sellers of real estate in the state of New Hampshire, in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, in the state of Maine, and in the state of Rhode Island. I am licensed to issue title insurance and to conduct real estate closings. I'm always quick to point out to people that I am not admitted to practice law in the state of Rhode Island. So certainly if you are considering buying or selling or refinancing real estate in either New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Maine, or Rhode Island, I hope you will consider calling my office. We certainly can assist you with any one of the following: reviewing or preparing a purchase and sales agreement, conducting a real estate closing, whether there's a lender involved or if it's a cash transaction, issuing title insurance if it's desired, preparing a deed, obtaining a discharge of a mortgage. If perhaps there's a mortgage on a property which has been paid, but there's no official documentation of that, we can certainly track those kinds of documents down. We have a wonderful office. We have an associate attorney on staff. We have several experienced real estate paralegals. Myself, of course, I work in the office, and I'm heavily involved in the office on a daily basis. And so certainly anyone that came to this firm looking for legal representation or legal assistance or legal advice in connection with a real estate matter, I think would be very pleased at the level of service and professionalism and experience that we have to offer. So again, it's March 2nd of 2015. Hopefully I got that date right earlier. And spring is in the air, notwithstanding that we're still getting lousy weather, and that may keep up for a while longer. But certainly if you are planning on selling your home this spring or buying a property this spring, I hope that you will seriously consider calling my office. Again, my name is Len Foy, and I can be reached at area code 603-598-4030. My web address is www.foylawoffice.com. and my email address is lfoy@foylawoffice.com. Please consider giving my office a call. All consultations are free. I would be happy to review your purchase and sales agreement if that's the stage that you're at. Perhaps advise you if you are at an earlier point of that decision-making stage. And in any event, I thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you found the subject matter to be somewhat interesting, certainly interesting enough to prompt you to make a phone call to my office if and when you feel that it's appropriate to do that. Otherwise, I wish everyone great luck this spring with all of their real estate endeavors. My name is Len Foy. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope to hear from you. Bye for now.